Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis. That is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And overall, the total chart is completely fine. And I say that, the total chart, because it really also depends on your perspective. I mean, if you're some sort of day trader flipper and you bought up around here and your plan was to buy and sell within 30 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks pretty rough for you. But from the total picture, the big picture of things, yeah, I get it. The price did pull back from those highs. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And that's what you want to see going forward. I mean, the price is still nicely up above the purple line there, the 50-period moving average. So that's good to see. Now, yeah, it's a buzzkill that the price wasn't able to close up above, that area. But it is what it is, like I said, from the bigger picture. And to really illustrate this, actually, this is fine. I don't need to scrunch up the chart anymore. I mean, if you just look at it as we have it right now, so you have a set of lows there, you have a set of lows there, and you have this set of lows right there. Even in, the very near term, over just the past several days, if you picture those as stair steps, those stair steps are still progressing very nicely in the upward direction. So think about that context. We're looking at a very narrow point of view. And then if I do this, you can see from a very big time frame, so no longer looking at it narrowly, but you look at the lows here, and once again, same premise. You picture those as stair steps, and even from the bigger picture point of view, the total picture, everything is still fine. So again, I get it. If you're some sort of day trader or flipper or scalper and you bought up there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting more so from the quote-unquote total picture of things. So sure, the price pulled back today from those highs, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build an overall higher base. So yeah, in the short term, kind of a disappointing day, but looking at the grand scheme of it all, price still has plenty of opportunity to build that higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get the job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.